Okay, I'm not sure what I got filmed because the video shut off. Okay, so we got a little small cutter here. We're going to try to get up in here as close as we can to follow that radius up in there. So it's pretty tight. So we'll give it a try. So right now I'm going to set the depth. I'm going to go out and hit the edge on here, hit the edge on here, get it zeroed out, and then I can make a sweep. This cutter's not going to leave as good a finish as this one over here because it's a lot smaller diameter cutter and it doesn't leave that good of a finish. So hopefully it leaves better than this crappy finish we got here because that sucked. Alright, got a new view over here. Hopefully you can see better. Bird's eye view, like a bird flying around over here. So we're going to try to get this thing dialed in right here. A little bit awkward, but oh well. Okay. Zero that out. Go some more. Oop. Bottomed out. Right there it hits. Ah. I think it's hitting the radius in there. Okay, I'll go with that for now. I'll go over and get the other side over here. Same thing. Hit. Zero. Once again, I think I'm going to fill it again. Alright. I think I'll go down until it hits going bottom. Three points of contact, and you zeroed in. There it is. Yep. There's zero. Let's go over here and see what happens over here. Is this high or low? It's low. Oh, not quite to it yet. Should be hitting. Not hitting. Okay. Drop it some more until it hits. 3, 4. There we go. 4. About 3.5 it hits. So that's about how far I was on the other side off too. I think we all cut it about 6. Between 5 and 6 it probably was cutting. This one's going to leave a mark too at 4, so pretty close. Okay, it's definitely going to cut more on this side. Alright, let's see what we got here. We're going to cut a pretty high speed on this. Need power though. Keep forgetting to do that. Okay, let's see what we got. 2100, high speed. nicely cut. Definitely not cutting. So we're just skimming the surface right there. Don't cut that. We cut the side of the case right there. All right. Cutting over there. There it goes. Alright. The tripod's going to fall over. It's in the way. Alright, now it's a little uneven. Finish is way better. So, just cutting all on this corner here all the way around. Pretty heavy down in here. It fogged out right there and it fogged out over in here. So this is the low spot all through here. And then over here, I was skimming along the edge here, cut a little deeper right back corner. Skimming along there and started digging in. And then it cut across this whole surface a little bit. So. And I screwed up and went in slightly deeper right there by mistake. So I must have hit this with a spot face tool right here for the washer to sit flat. But other than that, it's fine. Some cosmetic issues. Alright, so this here, you can see how far out of whack it is. And that's with a 4-cut. 3 cut, 1 cut, whatever that cut that was. That's with a 1 thou cut. So whatever that 1 thou was, it was way more than 1 over here. So, alright, so I need to go in there and cut a little deeper, and then this is our low spot way back over here, so I'm not sure how high this is. So I'm going to cut in this surface, go across that way, and then see what it does. That's all I can do. Alright, so most of this all got to be by hand because I can't use power feeds when you're just tight clearances. You can't power feed within 1 thou, so it just doesn't work very well. I don't know if you can see any better over here. Foot leg to go in there. There. That might work a little better for what I'm doing. When you get a camera view, you can see that in, also not flip the tripod over. Alright, so we're going to cut right here now. So blow it up a little bit might help too. There you go. Hopefully you can see now. Okay, I'm going to cut down a couple thou, I think. You don't need to do more than that. 3 thou cut. Pretty good. Got cleaned. Alright. I took 3 thou and it cleaned. Perfect. I like that. So I moved it from 1 to 4. Oh, I lifted it up. That's right. So, anyway, now you can see it's a nice smooth surface. And about the same cutting finish as this, so high speed works really good. So we skimmed the wall there lightly. You can see the marks. Cut this a little bit thicker, so you get a little more in the fillet. And then we came right along this edge, dragged this edge, and then right here we cut in past the cut. Look at this side here. So this side here is probably about 2 thou. Well, can't even see. Probably 2 thou different. Where are we at here? What the hell is going on with this camera? Okay, there we are. So right over here, it might be 2 or 3 thou difference in the offset between this side and this side. It's really, really close though. So we'll see. Alright, so that's got that surface pretty good. I'm happy with that. The cut stopped right at the cross hole there, which is the bowl hole, not the oil gallery. So it looks pretty damn nice. Okay, blow that off. Take our lifter block. I think this is the one. Let's see, where's the hole at? Yep, this is the one that goes in the front. Back it off. I didn't deburr the hole yet, so it's got clearance so in it. So I'm going to deburr it anyway, but it doesn't need it. Okay. This one fits a lot looser than the other one. excuse me. So I'm just going to go ahead and deburr this with the deburring tool right here. So, oop. There we go. Nice good deburr. A little bit of, ooh, that's sharp. There we go. Alright, I'm happy with that. It turned out pretty good. Alright, so now those are at the right angle, hopefully. So now I gotta swap all this stuff out, put this in, drop this thing down about a foot. A lot of work. Alright, we'll be back.